you guys, it is me, Laura, with scrapsoфencouragement.com, and I am here today with a very simple stamping quick tutorial. We as Stampin' Up demonstrators have been challenged to create cards that go back to the basics that are very easy for people who might be getting started out with stamping, people who are intimidated, people who don't have a lot of supplies, whatever. It's easy for us to look online, Pinterest and Instagram, and see all of these beautiful cards that are made by people who have had oftentimes years of experience. But what if you're just getting started out? What if you don't have many tools? Or what if you need a very simple card that you can create a lot of very quickly? So today I am showing you a simple stamping card. The challenge is that we are allowed to use only ink, paper, and stamps. I have added, oh, and it needs to be a card that we can create in a minute or less, and I have added to that challenge that I am only allowed to use one stamp set and up to 3 ink pads per card. So today I'm using one of my favorite stamp sets. This stamp set has gotten a lot of love from me. I have enjoyed making lots of great cards from this stamp set. It's called the Sweet Storybook stamp set, and it has a bunch of different sentiments on it, like psst, hey, thank you, for my little squeak heart, did I ever tell you you're wonderful? And that makes it kind of versatile. And this is super easy to make a very quick, simple stamping card on. It's got some 2 steps to help you add some color. And today I am going to be stamping with gray granite, I am going to be stamping with real red, and I am going to be stamping with Memento black ink. And that is it. So let's see if I can do this in a minute or less. Let's get started. So I am going to start my card with my mice. I have both stamps on this one block, but I'm going to ground my card with my mice, and that will help me know where I need to put everything else, making sure it's good and inked. All right, so I am going to put my little mice right there. Okay. Now that I have my little mice, I need their little mushroom home. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be, but I always think of it as a little mushroom home for these little mice. So I am going to set this off in the corner up behind them. I'm building my little scene. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my thank you sentiment and ink that up as well. And I am going to get it straight. Make sure I've got it inked really well. Get it straight right here. There we go. Thank you. Now I'm going to add color. So I'm going to start with the little mice. I love how quick and easy this is. Just take this and ink it up. Line my stamp up, and because of the style of the artwork on this particular stamp set, if I don't line everything up perfectly, that's totally fine. It goes right along with the illustration style and just the sweet little mice that we have here. So I don't stress if it's not perfect, but I do my best. There we go. And now I'm going to give my little mushroom some color with real red. I'm going to line that up as well. And just to finish off, to bring this card all together, I am going to take just one of the little flowery leaf elements that comes in the stamp set, and I'm going to put a few coming right there, just a few coming right there to help draw your eye to the center of the card. And there you go, a super simple thank you card that you can make in under a minute with a few supplies and simple stamping. And how cute is that? So that is my card for today. If you guys make this card or other simple cards, I would love to see them. You can post your photos on social media and hashtag Scraps of Encouragement, as well as you can hashtag simple stamping. And I hope that you go make this card, that you share it with other people, make it with other people, and most of all, find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. I'll talk to you later. Bye.